Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change your default video player in Windows 10. So it's going to be very straightforward and I just want to jump into it for you guys. So we're going to start by heading over to the Start menu, and then we're going to select the gear icon right above the power button, and if you hover over it, it should say Settings. So you want to left click on that. And now that we're underneath the settings window, left click on the system tile. It should be the first one listed on this page. Now in this new window, you want to go down to the third tab that says default apps and left click on it. Now on the right side, you want to use the scroller to go down until you get to video player. And then whatever's listed here, you want to left click on it. And then at this point, you can choose whatever app you want to replace it with. Please keep in mind, if you do not have the app that you're looking to replace it with already installed on your computer, it will not be an option on this list. So just keep that in mind. You could always look for additional apps in the store, but since I already have VLC Media Player installed on the computer, I'm going to choose that one over the Movies and TV app, which is defaulted with Windows 10. So simple as just left clicking on it. We see our video player is now defaulted to the VLC Media Player. And that's pretty much it, guys. Nothing else to do. We can just close out of this window and we should be good to go. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.